the freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the sin